Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the CrowPanel ESP32 display, a powerful 7.0-inch HMI touchscreen that's set to elevate your projects to new heights. This incredible display boasts a crisp 800 by 480 resolution LCD, powered by the cutting-edge ESP32 RAM1N4R8 module. With its impressive dual-core 32-bit LX6 microprocessor, clocked at a blazing 240 MHz, this little powerhouse combines performance and versatility in one sleek package. In this demonstration, we have the display panel housed in a stylish acrylic case, which is perfect for protecting the panel. Typically, you don't get this case included, so it's great if you can snag it as part of a combo deal or as an additional purchase. Now, let's take a look at what's inside the package. You'll find 1. CrowPanel ESP32 display 7.0-inch module. 1. USB-A to Type-C cable. 1. CrowTail or Grove to 4-pin DuPont cable. Just a quick note, this display panel requires an external power supply of DC 5 volts at 2 amps for operation. But that's not all. This module is packed with features, including integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, making it perfect for IoT applications and beyond. From automotive HMIs to industrial control, medical equipment, and even GPS systems, the CrowPanel is tailored for a wide range of scenarios. Inside the box, you'll find the display itself along with a driver board, supporting capacitive touch technology for seamless interaction. It's equipped with a TF card slot, multiple peripheral interfaces, and a USB interface, giving you endless possibilities for expansion and creativity. Speaking of interfaces, this panel includes 2 UART0 ports, 2 GPIO pins, 2 I2C interfaces, 1 battery connection, and 1 speaker connection pin, allowing for even more flexibility in your projects. For all you developers out there, the CrowPanel supports popular development environments like Arduino IDE, Espressif IDF, and MicroPython. Plus, it's compatible with the LVGL graphics library, which means designing stunning user interfaces is not only possible but straightforward. With tools like SquareLine Studio, you can create UIs with ease and export projects ready to go. When you turn on the display, you'll notice that it comes with preloaded demo graphics. These showcase the capabilities of the screen and the controller, including sample UI designs, animations, and graphics that highlight touch responsiveness. We invite you to follow our channel to stay updated on all the exciting upcoming DIY projects featuring the ESP32 display. We've got a fantastic lineup of content planned, including tutorials, innovative applications, and creative ideas that you definitely won't want to miss. Your support truly means the world to us, as it helps us continue to create and share great content. So, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when our latest videos are released. Thank you for being an essential part of our community.